Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix that your device isn't compatible with this version. Error in Farming Simulator 26. If you can't download or install the game from the Play Store, don't worry, I'll guide you step by step with easy fixes for Android devices. So let's start the video step-by-step guide. Step 1. Check Android version. Farming Simulator the 26th of May require a newer Android version. Steps. Open Settings. Tap About Phone. Check your Android version. If your Android version is too old, go to Settings. Tap Software Update. Install the latest update available. Step 2. Clear Google Play Store cache. Steps. Open Settings. Tap Apps. Select Google Play Store. Tap Storage. Press Clear Cache. Clear Data. Now reopen Play Store and try again. Step 3. Check device storage. Low storage can cause compatibility errors. Make sure you have at least 10 GB free storage. Delete unused apps, large files, junk data. Step 4. Update Google Play Store. Older Play Store versions may show false compatibility errors. Steps. Open Google Play Store. Tap your profile icon. Go to Settings. Tap About. Press Update Play Store. Step 5. Remove VPN. If you are using a VPN, turn it off. Restart Play Store. Try downloading again. Some regions may temporarily block the game. Step 6. Use another Google account. Steps. Open Play Store. Tap profile icon. Add another Google account. Search Farming Simulator 26 again. Sometimes account region settings cause the issue. Step 7. Restart your device. Restart your Android phone or tablet. Open Google Play Store again. Search for Farming Simulator 26. Sometimes the error disappears after a simple restart. Step 8. Wait for official device support. Sometimes the game is not officially released in your region, still unsupported on certain devices. In this case, wait for future updates from developers. Final checklist. Restart device. Air update Android. Clear Play Store cache-free storage space. Disable VPN. Update Play services. Check device requirements. Install system updates. These fixes should solve that your device isn't compatible with this version. Error in Farming Simulator 26. So that's how you fix that your device isn't compatible with this version. Error in Farming Simulator 26. I hope one of these methods helped you download and play the game successfully. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below which fix worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.